Hello everybody. In our previous video, we have discussed how to create authentication service with Amplify framework and how to deploy it in the cloud. Okay. Now it's time to use this authentication service in our React Native application. Okay. Now say if we want to use the service which we have created earlier in our React Native application, then here in React Native we will require login UI for that. Okay, and see, designing login UI is a difficult and we can say like a more time consuming task. Okay, so luckily here Amplify framework has an authentication UI component which we can use, and that will provide an entire authentication flow for us. Okay, and its configuration is already specified in the AWS export.js file in this particular file. Okay. Now, if we want to use authentication component of Amplify framework, create a login UI in the React Native app, then here we need to install some libraries. Okay, so for that purpose, here you have to open official documentation. Okay, so I am here in the add authentication tab. So this is our point of discussion, that is creating login UI. Okay, so if we want to use the default authentication component of Amplify framework, then we need to install these dependencies. Okay, so here just to copy command that we need to install. Okay, and then open your project. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, and press enter. Your machine must be connected to internet. Why we are installing these dependencies? Because we have to use the authentication UI component of Amplify framework. Okay, we are not going to write code manually to design login UI for us. Okay, so it may take some time. So now it has installed all required dependencies. Now after installing all required dependencies, see, next step is we have to add this particular import in our project. Okay, with authenticator import. Okay, so open your project, open app.js file from your project. Okay, and at the top here just import this with authenticator module. Okay, from AWS Amplify React Native. Now this AWS Amplify React Native library, rather dependency, we have just now installed. Okay, and one more change you have to make, that is here what is a default component? App is a default component. Okay, so you have to make it as with authenticator app. Okay, so you have to copy this and then open your project and replace this particular statement with this one. Okay, so instead of app we make it as with authenticator app. Okay, why we made this particular change? Because we have to use authentication UI component of Amplify framework. Okay, we don't want to write code manually to design a login UI for our application. Okay, so we have done with this. Now let us execute this particular project. Okay, so let me save this. Then here if you want to execute it, then we have to execute command react native run. Here I am going to execute it on Android platform, so run Android. Okay, press enter. Okay, so here see we have got output of our code. Okay, now this is a sign in window. Okay, so we have not yet registered here, so we have to first sign up. So you just click on sign up. Okay, so once you click on sign up, then you will be landed in this particular page. Okay, now here we have to create account. Okay, so let us provide some username. Okay, also provide password. Okay, then next one is email. So you have to provide your valid email ID, because later on this email ID you will receive one verification code. Okay, so provide valid email address. Okay, then next is you have to select your mobile number. Okay, so you can provide any dummy mobile number. Okay, because during authentication there we select only username and password. Okay, so this is just for the information purpose. Okay, no verification code will be set on your mobile number. So I'm just going to select country code. Okay, that is, you can select any dummy record. Okay, and provide your mobile number, and then just click on sign up. Okay, now one verification code will be set on your registered email address. Okay, so that code you have to enter here. So let me check my email. See here, we have received verification code. Okay, so open your email. See, this is a verification code 348977. So you have to enter your verification code here, 348977. Okay, and then confirm. Okay, so now our account is successfully created. Now we can log in. Okay, so the username that I have provided, that was ABC. Okay, and then provide your password. Okay, so now when I click on sign in, then it will just open our application, our earlier application, Ludo application. See here, we are in our application. Okay, so in this video we have just discussed how to use the authentication component of Amplify framework. Okay, and we have added authentication to our earlier application. Okay, so if you find any difficulty in understanding any point, then you can ask your queries through comments. So that's all for this session. Stay tuned for further updates.